How to get no beard filter on Snapchat and TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Snapchat on a device. Now simply tap on any filter, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type no beard and click on search. Then tap on smooth. Now simply go back to the home screen and open up TikTok on a device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now tap on the arrow down button. Now simply select any filter. Then tap on view all effects. Then tap on the source icon. Then tap on the source bar. Now type beardless. Now select any of the beardless filter. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.